Hi everybody, this is Chris at Spectrum for Remodeling in Detroit. We're at the factory today and wanted to kind of show you some new products that we have. Everybody's aware of the window that we're famous for, which is our WeatherMaster window, which is ideal for enclosing those porches, the existing porch, and under existing if you already have a roof or an open patio. And anybody who follows us knows that there's nothing worse than an open patio in Michigan. And so we finally came out with the ultimate cure for OPD, open porch disorder, right? So we could always enclose the porch for those people who wanted to have an enclosed porch and an open screen porch and have to be able to go back and forth whenever they wanted. One of the biggest things that customers have been wanting, and this is the new product, is a customer-driven idea, was they wanted to be able to walk free. They love the idea of the screen, they love the idea of being able to close this in. But they didn't want the porch closed all the time. Parties, going back and forth from a barbecue, just having a single door, permanent furniture coming in and out. So all of these obstacles was a reason that this may not be ideal for you. And so we have a new product now that we're introducing. This has been engineered and designed for a few years now, and we're finally letting it out. We have a wall here which would mimic enclosing that porch that you have. Maybe you have an opening like this, 3 walls, 2 walls, whatever it might be, 1 wall that you need to be covered to enclose your wall system now, where we have the door for just going in and out. We have the WeatherMaster window that will allow you to go from an enclosed screen porch, 3-season room, to an open screen porch with a 75% airflow. We're not giving any of that up. All those components are there. Simple, going back and forth from an open porch to a screen porch. But now we've incorporated what everybody's been wanting. We now have the capability for parties or whatever might be going on to open this wall and completely open that space up so that you can now, in parties, come and go as you please. Wide open spaces when you want to enjoy that open spaces. Maybe everybody's hanging out by the pool, it's a great day. We want this to be able to come back and forth. We want a barbecue. We don't want to go in and out. We don't want retractable screens. We don't want to have to sit here and do this every time somebody wants to get out of the porch. We don't want motorized ones where we have to wait a minute and a half. We don't want all that going on. We want the ease of this back and forth. And then when we send everybody home and it's time to close up, we want to hang out on the porch, and the bugs are starting to come around. So at 5 o'clock, what we're going to do now is close this back up. We have a special D handle to make this ergonomic for somebody to grab onto and bring this door in. Once we pull on that, we simply engage the wall back. It will lock in 2 points, one at the top, one at the bottom. She's not going anywhere. And now we can come back, close the main operating door. Now we can go in the house. We don't have to worry about it. We have a thermally broken frame. We have thermally broken sashes. This door is meant to be either the exterior door of your home or the exterior and enclosement of your patio. We can actually change the windows from the WeatherMaster windows. If you want something more for the house, or if you want all glass, we can now do single pane tempered glass, and we can even do insulated panels, low ER dye, for the maximum if you want to heat and cool the space. So this door can be converted to whatever your needs may be without giving up anything. We're excited about the door. I think you guys are going to be excited about the door. give us a call, 586-697-5618, and let's talk about the door.